Alright, here's a new one. Breakfast rolls made with just cheese. Yes, no bread at all. Instead, we use a melted cheese as the wrap, then stuff it with a delicious sausage and egg mixture. And believe me, it is seriously good. So let's make some up. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is preheat our oven to 200 degrees Fahrenheit or 400 Celsius. After that, we're going to grab up some cheese slices and put them onto a baking tray lined with some parchment paper. Now, I'm using Monterey Jack here. You could use Swiss or cheddar, whatever you like. I just wouldn't use the American cheese slices or the processed cheese because they'll kind of melt all over the place. You need something a bit hearty, you know, with a bit of body and bounce back. Slip these into the oven for about 5 minutes or so until they kind of melt down and get a bit browned around the edges. After about 5 minutes, this is just about perfect, just the way we want them, so we're going to let them cool down. In the meantime, go ahead and crack 4 large eggs into a bowl. I'm using the old farm fresh here, but of course you can use whatever you like. Then season things up with a bit of salt. My all-time favorite, some ground black pepper. And I always go heavy on this, but then again, you know, it's up to you. And of course, a good pinch of the old garlic. Grab up your whisk and give everything a good mix and whisk around until these eggs are combined. And to me, there is nothing more relaxing in the morning than whisking eggs. Yes, I know, strange but true. Now our eggs are all whisked up. I'm going to slip some oil into a pan over medium-high heat. Then crumble in 3 mild Italian sausages. I'm using mild Italian, but you can use hot, honey garlic, you know, whatever you like. Go ahead and fry this up until it's no longer pink. Now I've got about a 70-30 fat mixture here, which is a little on the high side. You might want to go at 20-80, but you know, whatever you can get. After a few minutes, we are pretty much done, so I'm going to go ahead and add in that egg mixture. Then it's just a matter of mixing things around and scrambling it until it's basically all set. Something like this. This is just about perfecto here. I mean, you could probably go ahead and eat this on its own, but we are not done yet. Because we're going to grab up that delicious mixture and slip it into the center of those beautifully melted down slices of cheese. Then grab up one edge and lickety-split, as simple as anything. Just go ahead and roll this up. And just check this out, guys. Just look at it. Isn't it simple and easy? Of course, slip it onto a plate and continue the process for the rest of the slices and mixture. Then to make it real yum and real presentation-ish, I'm going to garnish it up with some sliced green onions. And there you have it, my friends, our simple and easy peasy cheesy breakfast rolls. That even sounds good. I mean, pure poetry, isn't it? Anyway, you grab these up and bite into them. They are simply delicious. That cheese wrapper with the sausage and egg, there's no breadiness to them. It's just pure food. You are going to love it. And if you do make it up, leave us a comment because I love to read them. Most of all, like and subscribe helps the channel out. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe, and we'll see you Sunday in our next Humdinger video.